Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and elegant design pattern of hand embroidery, that is borderline embroidery designs that are specifically designed for tablecloth, for DIY home accessories, for cushion cover, pillow covers, and bedsheet embroidery and towel embroidery. All of them could be equally used for different type of multiple purposes. But before going into the further details, I would request you to do watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing, stylish, beautiful, eye-catchy and mesmerizing design ideas that are specifically based on one pattern, that is borderline embroidery, hand embroidery borders, or you can say embroidery borders. These are the different type of names that you would do on this specific type of embroidery designing. And the one more important, beautiful, and creative use of these embroidery patterns is that they could equally be used for designing your dresses. Like they could be used to design the borders of your abaya, jalebia, shirt, blouses, sleeves embroidery, as a four-side corner embellishment to your scarf, taller, as a four-side corner bordered decoration to your saris. Beautiful creativities could be used for multiple purposes and multiple dimensions. All I want from you is to watch till end and stay concentrated with me so that we can mutually share and discuss the beautiful and creative ideas. One more thing, guys, we never reclaim someone else as our own. The basic purpose and motive of sharing design ideas, creativities, and videos with you is to share some designs. Uh, Now, guys, the beauty and creativity of these design patterns is that they could be equally used for hand embroidery as well as for machine embroidery. And these elegant and eye-catchy looks of the amazing, simple, easy, beginner-friendly hand embroidery stitches make them much more attractive. The beauty and creativity of these designs is that whole design pattern contains 2 to 3 hand embroidery stitch. So those persons who are not familiar with the much more complex type of hand embroidery design patterns, they need to not to worry about anything, and they can make the whole pattern. And if you want to learn some basic hand embroidery stitches, then I have already made uh, very simple and easy hand embroidery stitches videos onto my channel, so you can go and explore and learn embroidery stitches from there. One more and very beautiful and important thing, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you really like the designs of today's video. And if you are unable to find the best or the design of your choice, then no need to worry about. You can go and explore my channel. And onto my channel, I have shared thousands of designs of hand embroidery and specifically of borderline embroidery as well. So keep watching, stay tuned for the more and new upcoming videos.